Hi, good morning. This is Scott Mason. Welcome to TradeAlyticsLive.com. And today we've got a lot of action, a lot of activity, and a lot of successful trades based on what was on our game plan this morning. We're batting 100% today. Let's get to the SPY really quick and just talk about that. Yesterday we talked about there's a possible head and shoulders and a rising channel pattern. You can see here that left side, there's your head, there's your right side. So on a technical basis, head and shoulder patterns are typically bearish. All right, so what we talked about yesterday is if we don't get some resolve above 146 and a quarter and closing above 146 and a quarter, then these two patterns of the head and shoulders and the rising channel, which is also bearish, may come into play at some point to have some corrective action in the market. Today is not the case. We actually got above this 145.68, and right now we're sitting right at that 146 and a quarter. So depending on what we do today in the market, where we close is going to dictate what's going to happen tomorrow. But let's look at today what we got into to make some excellent profits in the market early on. First one, code red, Amazon, buy triggers above 256. We got into it right out of the gates. It ripped right up into this resistance area, 259, took profits of about 3 points, even just on a couple hundred shares at 600 bucks. I mean, it happened within like 7 to 10 minutes. But the way that we're trading, we're scaling in, building the position up to about 1,000 shares. It was a really profitable trade. Took some profits early, got flat the stock right at the 259. For you swing traders out there who want to dare hold in this market and this tape, knowing that the FOMC meeting is at 215 today, then you can sell half your position at that 259 and then see if it reaches target, which is the 52-week high close to 263, 264. What I'm telling my people that are logged into the chat, into the website, is book your profits today. It's a little bit of a chop fest. We got some upticks in the market right after about 10:15. We're sitting at high a day, up like 90 on the Dow and 13 on the NASDAQ. But book your profits into the FOMC meeting. Why not? Just have a great day and relax, and then wait for another setup, second half of the day or tomorrow. So that was the first one, Amazon. The next one, we had a code red out on AKAM. You could see the breakout of this wedge pattern. Good consolidation. This is a daily time frame, so each one of these bars represents one day. So once we get a breakout of this resistance line, which is what we got today, we started a position at 39.11. We're actually going to be adding more or taking a trade into the 39.63, which is 52-week highs. And then if we get a push above into 52-week highs on big volume, then we get back into the trade. Target area is this upward sloping resistance line that you see right here. And then boom, your target area. Book your profits right into $41, $42. So another excellent trade today. Let's look at Netflix. Another chart logic play today is a continuation play from yesterday. Yesterday we caught the stock early on a breakout right above 59.50. Got some good profits. Today I'm looking at, okay, well, hey, yesterday's volume was really big, and this stock could potentially get squeezed. So why not, look for continuation, getting involved in the stock above 62.50 to 63, and then taking a trade into the next resistance area, which is this area right here, 66.50. The stock ran pretty quick. We booked some profits into this area, so I'm flat the stock. If it pulls back or consolidates and gets back above the 66.50, guess what? It's going to get squeezed even more. There's a gap fill trade. Next resistance area is right into 73. That's about $7 higher. And then the next complete gap fill target area is $78. That's like an 11-point move. Big, big move. But if it gets squeezed, it gets squeezed. I mean, we've had 2 days of profits taken on this stock already, and things are working out really well. Let's look at the FAS. FAS was an excellent chart logics play today. It kind of gapped up above the trigger, so we really couldn't take full advantage, but nonetheless it reached target zone right into the 114, which is right where we called the stock to go to today. So overall, the trend is your friend, right? That's what we've been saying for days. Don't fight the tape. I'm not going to say don't fight the Fed, because I really hate when people say that, don't fight the Fed. The fact is that they're going to suck everybody into this market. They're going to get this euphoria, extended, hyper blow-off top to get every single person involved in this market. and then they're just going to slam it, and a lot of people are going to get hurt because that's what Wall Street does, and that's what I've seen time and time again. So our job is to provide you with the best content, the best plays, and to let you know when's the best time to get out of this market and prepare yourself for a downturn. That's what's going to happen. Okay? So hopefully everybody that's watching this that was in the chat, if you haven't seen it and if you haven't logged into the chat, sign up for a 2-week trial and log in. We've been booking profits just about every single day. We're running about 82% profitability right now. So log in every day, 9 a.m. in the morning. My name's Scott Mason. Welcome to Tradalytics Live. Have a good day.